Hello everyone! Welcome back to our Workplace video tutorials. In today's video, we will be discussing the My Calendar feature. The Calendar feature is incredibly helpful for employees to keep track of their time and attendance-related data and issues. As a central hub, it consolidates an individual's data, such as work schedule, shifts, off days, and daily attendance records for the current month. Beyond that, My Calendar is a convenient one-stop self-service interface for attendance correction, leave, overtime, and travel request management, as well as timesheet recording and shift swapping. Without further ado, let's dive in. As all Workplace features, My Calendar is available on both the web and mobile versions of Workplace. If you are using the web version, you can find a weekly My Calendar overview in the right side of the homepage after your login. You can access the full calendar by clicking View Monthly here, or you can go through the left menu, open the Time and Attendance module, and click on My Calendar. Either way will open the full monthly calendar display. Here, you can see all the information related to your schedule, including shifts, work times, whether you were late, early, or worked overtime, as well as any leave requests or business trip requests or shift swaps you've made. If you click a certain day, the right panel of the screen will show details of your scheduled working hours compared to your actual work time, as well as your different attendance status for the period and shift calculations. Further down, you'll see details like shift code, day type, shift time, and your attendance status. If there is any issue with your data, Workplace will provide an alert with a red exclamation mark so you can take the necessary actions. For example, if you forgot to record your work time on a certain day, you can click the exclamation mark, and it will show you. Your attendance is not complete. The right panel next to the calendar view will show you the details for that day and offer you options for corrective actions, which in this case can be an attendance correction request if you worked that day, or a leave sick day request if you were not present. You can click the option that applies to your case and will be linked to the right form. Moreover, the system will also track your scheduled work time versus your actual work time. If it detects that you have accumulated overtime, it will suggest that you submit an overtime request. It will provide you with a button that you can click to get to the request form. Similarly, the system will show you days where you have submitted leave requests, shift swaps, or business trips. If you click on such a day, it will display the related request. It will allow you to further view the details of that request, as well as canceling it should that be necessary. As mentioned earlier, the calendar feature is also a central hub for access to various requests. If you click the plus button on every day, you can see a list of requests and actions you can do from here. So depending on what request you would like to submit, just click the proper name and the system will lead you to the right request form. Every calendar comes with a filter function. If you click it, you can choose the specific details you want to display on the My Calendar main page, such as attendance data change, on duty, or swap shift. While each employee can only see their own calendar, supervisors and admins have access to other employees' calendars, depending on their authorization settings. This can help them to investigate and solve any attendance-related issues in their teams. If you are on the go, you can also view the calendar feature on the Workplace mobile app. After the login, you find a calendar icon on the bottom of the home screen. Click it to open the calendar page. By default, you will be shown your weekly calendar. Click the monthly tab if you want to see the whole month. Function-wise, the mobile app calendar has all the same features as the web version, but the display is optimized for the small screen, so the information details and request actions are located on the bottom of the screen. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial on the My Calendar feature. This should help you manage your work schedules and requests more effectively.